In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out a device on PayPal. If you've signed into PayPal on a phone, tablet, or computer and want to remove that device's automatic access, this is a simple way to do it from your account settings. This can be especially helpful if you no longer use a device, if you signed in on a shared device, or if you just want a little more control over your account security. To begin, sign in to your PayPal account. Once you're on the main account page, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your account settings. After the settings page opens, find the security section and click on it. This area contains the options related to how your account is protected, including login preferences and device access. If you're ever reviewing your account for safety, this is one of the most important sections to know. Inside the security section, look for the option labeled Auto Login. Click on Auto Login to open the list of devices that may still have automatic access to your PayPal account. This feature is what allows certain devices to stay signed in or access your account more easily without requiring a full login every time. Once that page loads, you'll see the devices connected through Auto Login. Carefully review the list and locate the specific device you want to remove. When you find it, click Turn Off next to that device. This disables auto login for that device and effectively signs it out from that trusted access state. After you do this, that device should no longer be able to access your PayPal account automatically. In most cases, anyone using that device would need to sign in again with the correct account credentials before getting back in. It's a good idea to double check the device list afterward to make sure the change was applied successfully. As an extra tip, if you don't recognize a device or you think your account may have been accessed by someone else, take a moment to review the rest of your security settings as well. Updating your password and checking other login-related options can help keep your account secure. That's all it takes to log out a device on PayPal by turning off auto login. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your account access more confidently.